Hello guys, welcome back to Land App. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to use Hemnet. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly start using this platform. Well, if you're not aware yet, Hemnet here is a platform that allows you to search for properties that are currently for sale in Sweden. So, in order for you to start using it, you want to go to the official website, which is going to be hemnet.se. And from here, you want to go ahead and specify a few things. So if you want to buy a home or a villa or an apartment, you want to go to for sale. Now, if you want to go to final prices here, if you want to see the final prices for homes, and if you want to search for a broker, you could go ahead and search for one in this tab here. Now, for example, let's go and choose for sale. Now here, you want to go ahead and choose or enter area. So for example, let's go ahead and enter this area here and choose this one. Now from here, you want to go and specify a few things. Like for example, if you want to basically get a townhouse, apartment, farm or forest or plots, go ahead and specify that, but we want to choose all and click on find homes for sale. Now, it should give you a bunch of options here. As you can see, there's a map, and you could also see the dots here, which in this case is going to be available. So in this case, properties that are currently available right now. So you want to go and scroll down a bit here. By the way, there are going to be some paid placements here, so just be wary of that. But go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you should be able to see a number of options. Now, you can immediately see a short description here, but if you want to see more, you can go ahead and just click on that specific property here. Now, you should be able to see the following brokerage chain here, and also who's the broker for this one, the contact for this one, and also some descriptions here, and if you want to save this and even view the floor plan or even view pictures. Now if you want to view specific details like the energy class, compound, balcony here, and charge, and a lot more, and also if you want to see the account on your accommodation like your mortgage, insurance, borrow for purchases, purposes, and electricity and broadband here. So if you want to get those or view the details for that, and also association and map and travel times if you want to get estimates. And you also have the sales team information and a lot more like the price development in the following area. But yeah, so in this case, if you want to contact the broker for this one, go and click on show phone number or email here, or you could go and click on the read more at the broker. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to your Land App. Thank you for watching.